Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, I'm here again with the new topic safety. So, it is in your general awareness book and page number 52. So, kids, today we will study about this safety, SAFETY. And what is safety? So, safety is staying away from danger. So, what is safety? Staying away from danger is known as safety. So, it is the state of being safe. Okay, kids? So, it is the state of being safe. So, kids, हमें खतरों से दूर रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो खतरों से दूर रहने को ही हम सेफ्टी बोलते हैं, अपनी सुरक्षा. ओके, so some parents wants that I should explain in Hindi also, so I'm explaining in Hindi as well. Okay, so kids, staying away from danger is known as safety and it is the state of being safe. Okay, so here are some pictures on the page number 52 and I will explain it one by one. So here in this picture, what is written? It is written that I wear the seat belt in the car. So kids always wear the seat belt in the car. Okay, why we should always wear the seat belt in the car? So that in case any accident happens, you will not get hurt. अगर आप सीट बेल्ट अच्छे से पहनेंगे कार में तो आपको चोट नहीं लगेगी. ओके, सो ऑलवेज वेयर सीट बेल्ट्स इन द कार. So next is I don't go near the gas stove. So हमें गैस स्टोव के पास किचन में नहीं जाना चाहिए. Why we should not go near the gas stove? Tell me, do you know the answer? If you go near the gas stove, you may burn yourself. Okay, you may burn yourself. So we should not go near the gas stove. Again, we should not light the matchsticks. It is not a good habit to light the matchsticks. Again, what happen if you light the matchstick? You may burn yourself. Okay, आपको लग जाएगी. So you should not light the matchstick. You should not go near the gas stove. Also, always wear the seat belt. The next is don't cross the road alone. So kids, you have to cross the road only with the elders or with your parents. Do not cross the road alone. And what happen if you will cross the road alone? So you will not be able to look everywhere and any vehicle may hit you. Okay, so do not cross the road alone. Always cross the road with your mother or your father or with your elders. Okay, do not cross the road alone. Now the next is I don't use the switch with wet hands. Kids, do not touch the switches with the wet hands. हमें अपने गीले हाथों से switches को कभी हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए. What will happen? It may give you an electric shock. आपको पता है if you will touch the switch with your wet hands, what happen? आपको करंट लग सकता है, right? So it may give you an electric shock. So do not touch the switches with your wet hands. And next is I keep my shoelaces tight. So kids, always keep your shoelaces tight. What happen if you do not tie your shoelaces? Kids, you may fall. Okay, if we do not tie our shoelaces, we will fall. And if we tie our shoelaces properly, we don't fall. Okay, आप गिर सकते हैं अगर आपने shoelaces नहीं बांधा तो always tie your shoelaces. Okay kids, so these are some safety rules and you know it is very very important to follow the safety rules so that we remain safe always. If we follow these safety rules, we may remain safe always. Okay, so we should follow the safety rules. And what happen if you do not follow the safety rules? It can cause accidents like burns, cuts, serious injuries, and you know injuries, they can cause lot of pain. अगर आपको लग जाएगी तो आपको बहुत दर्द होता है ना, तो हमेशा हमें सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. ओके किड्स, ऑलवेज फॉलो द सेफ्टी रूल्स एज आई टॉट यू. ओके, सो किड्स, here you have to tick the things that you do. Okay, so I will explain you. Like here the boy is crossing the road with the elder, so yes, it is a very correct thing, but you have to tick the things that you do. Do not tease the animals. It is not good to tease the animal. Okay, here the boy is standing in a balcony, so we should avoid to stand in a balcony. Here the boy is dipping his hand into the water, so again this is not a good practice. Here the boy is there in a zoo with the parents, so stay away from the wild animals. Okay, we should stay away from the wild animals in a zoo also. Here the boy is using escalator alone. We should not go on the escalator alone. Always we should be with our parents. Okay, so kids, here you have to tick the things. This is your homework. Okay, and now on the page number 54, here again there are some things which we should not taste or touch. Like, what is this? These are the toilet cleaners, choline, and also we should not touch or taste these things. What happen? They may cause pain and swelling in your throat. आपको गले में पेन हो सकता है, ठीक है, आपको स्वेलिंग हो सकती है. सो वी शुड नॉट टच और टेस्ट दीज थिंग्स. These are shampoos, detergents. Also, we should not touch or taste the shampoos, detergents there in the washroom. Okay, it is not good to touch or taste these things because you may begin vomit and there may be pain in your stomach if you touch or taste these things, these toilet cleaners, shampoos, detergents. So do not touch or taste these things. Again, here it is the fire extinguisher, so we should not touch the fire extinguisher. Okay, it may leak and when required it may not work. So do not touch this fire extinguisher. हमें इसको टच नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर हम लोग ये जो डिटर्जेंट्स होते हैं या फिर ये जो शैम्पूज़ हैं, अगर इनको टच करेंगे या इनको हम टेस्ट करेंगे तो हमारे गले में इरिटेशन होगी, हमें स्टमक में पेन होगा, हमें वॉमिटिंग हो जाएगी. सो डू नॉट टच दीज थिंग्स. Again, the medicines, you know, there are many chemicals in these medicines, so we should not eat these medicines. Only we should eat the medicines when doctor prescribed. Okay, so do not touch or taste the medicines. Again, this is a syrup, so do not touch this syrup. Do not touch or eat the medicines. Okay, these are the naphthalene balls. Do not touch them. Do not try to eat the naphthalene balls. Okay, so as I already told you, there are some harmful chemicals in it which may lead to irritation in lungs. Okay, it may irritate your lungs. So do not touch or taste these naphthalene balls. So here are some tools. Do not touch these tools. You are not allowed to touch any tools, otherwise you may get cuts. Okay, so do not touch these tools. So here it is on page number 54. There are various things that you should not touch or taste. Okay, we should not touch or taste these things, otherwise they may cause pain or swelling in your throat or on your lips or tongue. You may begin vomit or there may be a pain in your stomach. आपको stomach में pain भी हो सकता है. Okay, so do not touch or taste these things. So next is your page number 55 and this is your homework. You have to tick the things that are safe for you to do independently. Okay, तो आप अपने आप से जो भी चीज़ इसमें से कर सकते हैं और जो आपके लिए सेफ़ है उस पर आपको टिक लगाना है. लाइक क्रॉसिंग द रोड, इज़ इट सेफ़? नो. यूजिंग द एस्केलेटर्स अलोन, इज़ इट सेफ़ और यू कैन डू इट इंडिपेंडेंटली? नो. डू नॉट लिट फायर, it is not good, right? Here the girl is checking the blocks, so playing with the blocks is safe. Again, here the girl is enjoying in the park. Okay, so it is safe for you, but elders should be there with you. Here the girl is brushing her teeth. So yes, it is safe to brush our teeth, but we should take the amount of a toothpaste in a very small amount. Okay, otherwise the paste will go in your stomach and it will irritate you. Here the girl is riding the bicycle. So yes, in the presence of elders, riding bicycle is good. So here the things that are safe or you can do it independently, you have to tick. So painting with a brush is safe. Or here the boy is there with his mother in a park. So yes, it is safe to be with the parents at night also, but we should accompany our parents. Okay, and do not talk to strangers. We should not talk to strangers in the park. We should always accompany with our parents. Do not go alone. Do not talk to the strangers. Okay, kids. So this is all about safety. What you have to do, you have to do page number 52. Only here you have to tick some activities, the things that you do, and on page number 55 you have to tick the things that you can do it independently. So case your homework is page number 52 and page number 54. Okay, in your general awareness book, only what you have to do, you have to tick the things that you do and the things that are safe for you to do independently. So these two pages, they are very simple. You have to tick only. Okay, so do the work and share the work with me. Bye bye kids, take care and do follow the safety rules. Okay, bye.